back to my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today is day 5 of Vlogmas, Craftmas, or Crochetmas, whatever it is that I officially title this. So I have a really short project today. This project didn't take a super long time, which is really great because I am so busy today and I didn't have a ton of time to work on the projects that I really want to work on, but that's okay. So I mentioned on day 1 that Molly loves Christmas, absolutely loves it. The Grinch is probably her favorite movie, and she is partial to the 2008 The Grinch starring Benedict Cumberbatch. It is a pretty good movie. At least I said that the first 20 times that I've watched it. I still think it's a pretty good movie, but I could go the next 5 years or so without seeing it. I doubt that I will go the next 5 days without Molly turning it on and citing the rule that I made, since she is allowed to put it on for now. So, I made this hat on my 48-pin circular knitting machine. This one was pretty simple and it didn't take very long at all to make. I didn't want to do anything super Grinchy, just sort of a subtle nod to the Grinch and Molly's Grinch obsession. So I went with red and white stripes for the main body of this hat, and then I did the faux brim and the inside of the hat with this spring green. If you also have a 48 or a 46 pin circular knitting machine, I will leave the row count in the description for you, but real quick, I did 5 rows of red and 5 rows of white, and I alternated that for 50 rows, and then I did 70 rows of green. So if you're wondering how to make this hat, that's how. I'm going to do a cinched closure at the top because I am going to sew on a green faux fur pom-pom, and I like the cinched look with pom-poms. That's just my personal preference. I also have some super tiny and very, very cute heart buttons that I used for a couple other projects, but I still had a ton left over. So I am just going to sew those onto the faux brim, and that's it. That's the whole thing. This video isn't super long since I have a super busy day today, but I hope that you are enjoying Vlogmas, Crochetmas, or Craftmas so far, whatever I decide to officially title this. Anyway, let me know what you think of this hat. Let me know if you like the Grinch. And if you do, which one of the Grinch movies is your favorite? I do really like the 2000 cinematic gem, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, starring Jim Carrey, but I also really, really like the 2018 animated movie starring Benedict Cumberbatch. I do also like the original, but that's just me. Alright, you know what to do. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, hit the bell button to be notified when I upload next, and thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!